we were challenged to bring ocean rights into our community. We did that by making a video and starting a social media campaign to educate our community and our lawmakers on the importance of ocean rights.
This can become something so much bigger, and I feel the responsibility of that.
We wanted to take the next step to reform and change something for the long term.
We wanted to do something that would really give voice to the ocean.
I don't think I'm supposed to say this on camera, but I honestly did not expect us to win.
I was super surprised.
It felt exciting and surprising and incredible.
Get plastics off of our beaches and out of our oceans.
It was really cool to see how the boat worked, how passionate they are about the competition.